creamy garlic prawn. This is so good, guys. This is so delicious. So guys, in the bowl I have my prawns. I'll be going in with some seasoning, salt, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, and I'll mix very well, set it aside to marinate for just 15 minutes, guys. So guys, my name is Chinny Space. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please do not forget to like. Do not forget to comment, guys. And for my return follower, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for always coming by to watch my video. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for liking my videos, guys. And again, don't forget to also check out for my other videos. I'm sure you will see something that you like there. So now I'm done mixing. I'll set this aside to marinate for 15 minutes. And here in a pan, after 15 minutes, I went in with just a little bit of oil. As you can see, I use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I'll transfer this prawns inside, allow it to cook very well. So once it's cooked on the other side, you flip it so it can also cook evenly. So now that it's done, I'll be transferring this in a bowl. And then I'll be using the same pan again. So I'll be going in with some butter. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'll go in with my chopped shallots, garlic, and pepper. So guys, the pepper is optional. If you are not a fan of pepper, please do not go in with it. I added it because I love my food to be a bit spicy. Yeah, this is creamy food, so you can actually skip it if you do not want it, but I added it into it. So now I just added the garlic and pepper. You can see it's just a little bit of pepper that I added there. Stir very well. And once it's done, I'll be going in with my cream. So I just squeezed some fresh lemon juice inside. And now I'm adding the cooking cream. So now you stir again, guys. Then I'll transfer my shrimp inside, my prawns. I'll be transferring the prawn inside. mix well to combine. Then I just added some black pepper, just a little bit. And lastly, I'll be going in with my fresh parsley. Guys, this is so good, so quick. Just 15 minutes, you are done cooking this, and you enjoy with anything that you want to have yours with. I had mine with rice, and that is it, guys. Will you be trying? Please do not forget to drop some meaningful comments. Yeah. Yeah, and then give me a thumbs up, guys. I will really appreciate it. So that's it, guys. Our creamy garlic prawn is ready. Very quick and delicious. Please don't forget to check my other videos. You might see other things that you like there, and comment, guys. Like my videos. Thank you all for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.